हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे इस यूट्यूब चैनल में। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। द फॉलोइंग CFG S AB BA and A given is that BAS BAA B B BS ABB generate string of terminal that have options n equal number of A and B, odd number of A and odd number of B, odd number of A and even number of B, odd number of A and even number of B. So let's discuss one by one options. Reanalyze the given context free grammar CFG to determine which string of the terminal it generate. S A B B A B A S B double A B B B S A double B. Option first, n equal number of A and B. CFG does not enforce any specific balance between the occurrence of A and B. For example, the production rule of for A and B can generate an equal number of A and B. Therefore, A option is not correct. B option, odd number of A and odd number of B. The projection rule for A and B allow for the generation of sequence with an odd number of A or an odd number of B, but not necessary both. For example, projection rule B A double B allow for the generation of odd number of A, but there are no guarantee for an odd number of B. Therefore, option is not correct. Option C is correct. Odd number of A and even number of B. क्यों? By analyzing the projection rule, we can see that grammar allow for generation of sequence with an odd number of A and even number of B. For example, consider the derivation S A B A double B A A B S and last A A B. This string has odd number of A and even number of B. Therefore, option is correct. Option D, odd number of A and even number of B. As shown above, option C is correct. Therefore, option D is incorrect. So the correct option is C. Thank you.